The EZMax Suite puts the power of Maximo at your fingertips. This suite of mobile applications created by Interpro Solutions has been conceived, developed, and supported with a deep understanding of Maximo. With the EZMax Suite, your organization can solve complex work problems across every phase of your operations and maintenance journey. The products in the EZMax Suite include EZMax Mobile for your technicians to perform work in the field, EZMax Request for your end users to submit service requests to be easily managed by your backend team, EZMax Planner for planning, scheduling, and assigning work, schedule on the go with EZMax Planner's mobile companion app, and EZMax Vendor for your external vendors to perform work securely without accessing your Maximo system. All products in the EZMax Suite work with or without connectivity, can be used in combination or independently, are compatible with MAS 8 and are device agnostic, and are utilized by Fortune 500 companies including leading medical centers, government agencies, oil and gas refineries, major airports, Ivy League universities, and more. No matter where you are in your operations and maintenance journey, the EZMax Suite is here for your organization. Contact us today to get started.